Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of online income generation. Now, if you've been looking for effective ways to make money online and earn more, you're definitely in the right place, because in this video, we're going to be exploring 6 lucrative methods that can help you boost your income in 2023. So let's get started. If you've got a passion or hobby that you absolutely love, well, there's a high chance that you can turn it into a money-making opportunity. Whether it's photography, baking, or crafting, you can showcase your skills on platforms like Etsy or Instagram. Start selling your creations and watch your income grow while doing something that you genuinely enjoy. Are you knowledgeable about a specific niche? Well, creating a blog or YouTube channel allows you to share your expertise while building a loyal audience. From fashion and beauty to technology and travel, there is a niche for everyone. And as your followers grow, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling digital products. Are you an artist at heart? Well, unleash your creativity and turn your artwork into profit. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6 enable you to sell your designs as prints, clothing, phone cases, and much more. With a global market at your fingertips, you can reach customers who appreciate and value your unique creations. If you possess a valuable skill, freelancing is a fantastic way to earn money online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, a program or marketing expert, freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr connect you with clients seeking your services. With dedication and quality work, you can build a solid reputation and secure consistent gigs. Are you organized, efficient, great at multitasking? Well, becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect fit for you. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals require assistance with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. By offering your services remotely, you can earn a decent income while helping others succeed. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store without worrying about inventory or even shipping? Well, dropshipping makes that possible. With this business model, you can sell products to customers worldwide without physically stocking them yourself. Platforms like Shopify and Unveil simplify the process, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer satisfaction. And there you have it, 6 proven ways to increase your income and make money online in 2023. Whether you choose to monetize your hobbies, start a blog or YouTube channel, sell your artwork, freelance, be a virtual assistant, or even explore dropshipping, remember that consistency, passion, and dedication are key.
Supercharge your outreach and 10 times your leads and meetings with Success.ai. Dive into a 700 million plus B2B lead goldmine featuring unlimited warm-up, AI-powered email writing, and 700 million plus verified leads. Start for free and experience the revolution in cold email marketing. No credit card needed. Seize your 14-day free trial now.